Did you know the Amazon rainforest is home to some of the most dangerous animals on Earth? From massive anacondas that can grow over 20 feet long to electric eels capable of delivering powerful shocks, survival here is no joke. The jungle also hides razor-toothed piranhas, stealthy jaguars, and brightly colored poison dart frogs whose skin can be deadly to the touch. But it's not just about danger. The Amazon is also one of the most biodiverse places on the planet, with millions of species, many still undiscovered. In the Amazon, every day is a fight to survive, and nature always makes the rules. For more information about the Amazon rainforest, click the link given below.